What's going on, guys? Figured I'd make my first YouTube video, but of course I messed up my thumb. I ended up splitting it open, so it's gonna be kinda hard to make this video. Let's see there. Let's focus in on that. Tickles a little bit, but so we got the Pioneer. I do not remember what brand. And then in the back we got two 12s. We got a McAudio subwoofer because my other Sony Explode blew, but two 12s in a one custom box. And then in the back we have a Lanzar Vibe 500 watt 2-channel amp, a Kenwood 1000 watt 4-channel amp, and a dual XPR 2500 300 watt MOSFET power, and that is it. I got my wires running down through the seat, through this seat, and the ground, or the battery wires on this side. The RCA cable is on this side, and the fuse wires on this side going through to my fuse panel. They all go through the firewall. I don't know if you can see that, but they all go through there. So I'm going to play a dubstep song just to give you a little brief demo. On 10. I want to turn it down because my dad's giving me dirty looks, and that was only on 10 or 15. That's on 3. And I do not have bass boost on. I think I have it on my system. Nope. Let's turn that up. And then on my amp, I don't have it turned on my amp either. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll make another one later, a couple different songs. If you got a suggestion, just put it in the comments. Thanks.